Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from REALME device to ALCATEL 1T 10 Smart 2020. Begin by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your apps are ready, open them. Now, in order to use Send Anywhere app, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, click on OK. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of REALME and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of ALCATEL. Then you can tap on all of those categories located on REALME and from them select your files that you wish to transfer. When you finished, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Now tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect thanks to this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on tablet. Then hit Allow in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key though, tap on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then select Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my files were successfully sent. If you see this kind of pop-up, you need to scroll down and tap on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!